Hello. Um, I'm wanna do my hair. I thought about I just gonna videotape it. If it's good, I'm going to post it. If not, then not. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to braid waterfall braid on the front here. It's I most of the time I do that because like especially when it's windy outside, you know, I most of the time I look like chicken went wrong or something. Chicken went wrong doesn't even make sense. Anyway, this is how I start. You see, take three strands and then um, one to the right, one to the left. I do it like like a normal braid. I do a few like those. Okay, now it's the trick. The first one again to the middle, and then I grab one from the front. This. I'm kind of like how do you call it? Um, I don't actually know the English word for it for the braid. The German one is mozard. Okay, you see, and I just let that one go, and I just grab another strain from the back, not a big one, just a small one. Braid it in, and grab from the front again. See, hold it and let it go. Okay. Sorry, I don't talk a lot. Before I just do that. You do that till well, pretty much till like by the ear. Then when I get there, I show you what I actually when I do that. Oops. Okay. See, let go. Sorry if I'm not too close to the camera. I have to use my phone because my laptop, I don't know, it kind of sucks lately. It's way too slow. Even if I just want to do like some videos for YouTube or whatever, it's super slow. My phone is better than my laptop. It's kind of sad. Yeah. Okay. Now what I'm wanna do is um I keep gonna braid waterfall braid, but not in the back anymore. I'm gonna I'm gonna grab a strand from the top over here. Oh, do you see it? Yeah. And do it the other way around, because it's just gonna look funny if I keep braiding them up, you know. Maybe I should try it once. Maybe it actually would look cool or something. Maybe I could do something. Yeah, would actually end up looking cool. Anyway, that's what I usually do for sports too. Like, I'm not a huge sports person. It's not like I'm working out like, you know. I hate the gym, I'm not gonna lie. I try to go to the gym, but I get bored. So what I do is sometimes I go jogging with my dog, or I do Zumba. I love to do Zumba because I don't feel like I'm working out. The second I feel like I'm working out, it's like, yeah, I find some kind of excuse not to do that anymore. I'm pretty bad. But luckily for me, they've got a lot of Zumba classes here, so I pretty much go and do Zumba Monday to Friday. It's good. My husband likes it. Yeah. At least he gets an hour off every day from me. Okay, now I'm grabbing here. And you see, sometimes that one strand just gets too short or too thin. What I do, I just grab some hair, the loose hair, and I just put some of, I just combine them together like this. It's okay. You can do that. And while you just keep braiding, you know. Just to turn around. So yeah, like I said, I love to do this here for like the gym, especially like Zumba and stuff. You move a lot. I think it's a pretty cute hairstyle. Plus, it's like a secure one too. It's cute and very comfy. And I mean, I love the dot too, like the bun, the hair bun. I love it too. It's just do that every day. It's kind of boring. I just love hairstyles way too much to just do one every single day or time. Spice it up. If you can see it, guys, I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm using my phone, and yeah, it's standing on a box right now, and on an iPhone holder, whatever. I don't have an iPhone. I just have that iPhone holder thing, so it holds my phone up. Okay. I just turn it around this way. Okay. I always hate that part because if it is something wrong and just um the hair just stick out, or here on the side and it looks kind of funny, or if I braid them too far at the front, it looks, I don't know, I don't like that either. It looks too girly. I mean, I like the girly look, don't get me wrong, I really do, but you know too girly, like I'm talking about like I'm trying to be 10 again or something. I don't like that. Still a grown woman. I still like both and stuff like that, like try to get rid of it because I mean telling myself, okay, I grew out of this age, but yeah, I just can't. I love them. Okay. You see? When you do that, just, see, I kind of messed it up, but it's okay, it's not too bad. Like right here, it's kind of puffy. I hate it. I don't know. Some people might like it, I don't. And at the end, I just braid it a little down so it doesn't open or something. And everything was for nothing. Yeah. And, see? Oh my gosh, come on out. Oh, there it is. Yeah, to secure it, I just use one of, whoops, like those. Like I said, I apologize. I know that video is not the best. I am making the video with my phone, so yeah, what to expect, you know. I should go and use my husband's office. Okay. You see that? I think that's pretty cute. Okay, for some people they don't like to leave their hair open in the gym. So what else I would suggest is if you, I think I have to turn around for that one. You can braid them down too, you know. Like beginning here. And start normal. Like this, get a strain again. Like I said, I should have googled or something the English word for it, for that braid. I'm so sorry. And I wasn't really planning on doing a video. I was just like, oh, I'm doing my hair, so I might as well. I don't know, maybe I give some of you guys a good idea or something for the next time going to the gym and want to look cute because there's a boy you like or whatever, or maybe just to go for a walk and it's kind of windy outside. I don't know. That's why this hairstyle is perfect for this kind of stuff, you know, for the wind or for a little moving. Oh yeah. I turn around like this again. I will show you the end result when I'm actually done. Yeah, like I'm gonna turn around and, you know. I'm sorry, I have a gum in my mouth and everything. It's, yeah. Like I said, I wasn't really planning on doing that whatsoever, as you can tell. I just braid it down. I mean, you can do all kinds of braids, you know. Right now I just took the easy way. Okay, yeah, I show you the hairstyle again. Turning. Oh, look at that thing. Oh shit. Oops. Shootity shoot. I just broke my mirror. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Yoo-hoo! My luck. Well, I hope that means 7 years of luck, not, you know, bad luck, but we'll see. Wish me luck. I hope you like it. Um, yeah. Have a good day. I'm gonna go and clean up the mirror.